Hello student, very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start the English literature lesson number 1, an uncomfortable bed. This is video number 1. So this lesson was written by Guy Maupassant, who was a French writer, and he is well known for his short stories. He wrote around 3,000 short stories along with a few novels and travel books. The Necklace, The Uncomfortable Bed are some of the most famous stories. So now we begin the lesson. One autumn, I went to spend a few days with some friends in Prakedin. So one autumn means a season. It's the name of a season. Autumn, जिसे हम पतझड़ का season बोलते हैं, when trees shed their leaves. So in that season, I went to spend few days. I want to spend few days with my friends. So the author went to a Picardy, the region in a northern France. My friends were fond of practical jokes. I do not care to know people who are not. So my friends are fond means shocking. So they are very fond of making jokes. They are fond of making pranks. So I do not care to know people who are not. So I don't care what they are making practical joke. When I arrived, they gave me a grand reception. So when I enter the room, so my friend, those who are present there, they give me a grand reception. They give me a very good grand attention. So which at once made me rather suspicious. So I was very surprised to see they are giving me a grand reception. They are giving me a more attention. So I was, that scene made me suspicious that they are making something in their mind to create any prank on me. So I was very suspicious. They cheered loudly, they laughed loudly, embraced me, they gave me a hug and made much fun of me, and they gave me a lot of attention and importance at that time, as they expected to give great fun at my expense. So I was thinking that they are giving me great importance, they are giving me attention. So sure they are having some plan in their mind. They want to make a practical joke on me. So I said to myself, look out, old friend. So I was thinking, and I think that look out, old friend. So I was talking to myself, look out, old friend. Cat is a small cat-like animal which hunts rabbit by entering their burrow and diving them out. So I was thinking about the fact they have something in store for you, and I was thinking that they have something in their mind. So they have stored something in their mind for me. So I was very suspicious to know that what was in their mind. During the dinner, the mirth was excessive. The word here comes mirth. Mirth means laughter. So during the dinner, when the dinner time come, the laughter was excessive. It was increased. So I thought, here are people who are really amused, too amused. So the people who are really amused, the people means my friend, those who are amused me, they are having so much fun. So there does not seem to be any reason for so much mirth. So I was thinking that here are all are as usual, and nothing seems to be breath, nothing seems to be a laughter. So why they are so amused? So they must have planned some good jokes. And I was thinking that surely they must be are having some plan to prank a joke on me. So surely I am to be the victim of the joke. And I was thinking I am the only person who are the victim of their practical joke. I am the person whom the others play a prank upon. So I get attention. The entire evening, everybody laughed in an exaggerated fashion. So for the full evening, everybody laughed a lot. And here our word is usually exaggerated. That it means more than what one usual or necessary. So there is no necessary to laugh much, but they are laughed a lot. So this is very suspicious. Just as the dog can smell where it is hunting, just as a dog. आप जानते हैं ना डॉग्स जो दूर से सूंघ कर पहचान लेता है कहाँ खाना है कहाँ हड्डी है. So like that. So I could not almost smell a practical joke in the air. So I could almost smell a practical joke. So many भी उनको पहचान लिया. So I almost smell the practical joke in the air. I am sure that they are must making a practical joke of me. So, but what was it? But I was thinking, what was it? What is the practical joke? They prank on me. So I was watchful. Restless. So I was watched by everyone. So I also too watching everyone. And for this, I was very tired. So I did not miss a single word or a meaning or a gesture. So I did not miss a single word. So I was try to listen all the words they are talking, what they are talking. I try to listen their words, or I am try to give the meaning of their wordings. They are using and some words which I am not understanding. So I am trying to listen the word with and try to mean them. What is the meaning of their words? So or a guster, and guster here is a word you can this means guster means actions. So I am trying to guess the action of their action of their talking. So by the action of their talking, I am trying to guess what they are talking, what they are planning about me. Everyone seems to be a suspect. So I am looking everyone and everybody is looking suspicious to me. And I even looking distrustfully at the faces of the other gusters. Oh, sorry, guests. So, and even look distrustfully at the faces of the other guests. So, with the suspicious in a way that shows to be trust on them, I was looking at everyone as a suspicious in a doubtful manner. So all the faces of the guests are looking very suspicious. The are stuck for going to bed. The whole household come to accompany me to my room. Why? So the are stuck for going to bed. Now the time has come when I have to go to bed. So when I was going to bed, the whole household and all my friends accompany me to leave me to the bedroom. And this made me so suspicious. Why they are behaving like this? Why they are giving me so importance? Why they are giving me so too much attention? So all the things are doubtful. They called me good night. And after all, if the time comes and they said good night to me, I entered my room, shut the door, and remained standing without moving a single step, holding the candle in my hand. So I enter my room. I was very uh, fear. I have so much fear that what prank they are trying upon me. So I was very much disturbed to think about this. So with this, I entered my room and I shut the door and I remained standing without moving a single step, without moving anything. I am standing. I was standing, holding the candle in my hand. So I heard people laughing and whispering in the corridor. So what I heard? I heard some people are whispering. Whispering, काना फूसी जो आप लोग भी करते हैं वो. So that one. So all the people were laughing and whispering in the corridor. Without doubt, they were spying on me. There is a word spying. Spying means hiding. So I heard people laughing and whispering in the corridor. Without doubt, they were spying on me. So without any doubt, they were spying on me. They are hiding something from me. So I cast a glance around the wall, the furniture, the ceiling, the hangings, and the floor. So I cast a glance with a quick glance, with a quick looking. I looked all around the walls. Then I looked around the furniture, then ceiling, and then hanging means curtains, all the hanging things which we put on the wall. So all the curtains, and then floor. I saw nothing to justify suspicion, but I saw that all are as usual. Nothing was suspicious. I heard persons moving about outside my door. Then I heard people are moving here and there outside of my door. I had no doubt they were looking through the keyhole, and I was thinking that they are looking at me. And from where they are looking at me? They were looking through the keyhole. Keyhole जानते हो ना? चाबी जहाँ पे लगाते हैं, आओ तो वहां से दिखाई देता है. So that one, that keyhole. So all they were looking me through the keyhole. An idea came into my head. At that time, a plan came to my mind. My candle may suddenly got out and leave me in darkness. Suddenly what happened? My candle got off and leave me in the darkness in the room. So I went around the room. When my candle was off, I went around the room and lighted all the candle one by one that I could find. Where I could find the candle, I lit them up, lighted them up. After that, I cast another glance around me without discovering anything. So I cast another glance. I saw that around me without searching anything. I moved with short steps. I moved with short steps. Carefully examine the room. So with lot of care, I examined the room. I saw the room. Nothing. I inspected every article. Nothing was suspicious there. I inspected every article. So I search all the articles which are lying in the room, one after the other. Still nothing I have find. So I went over to the window. So after that, I went to the window. The shutters, large wooden shutters, were open. I saw there the shutters. Shutters means the window pans. So all the window pans were made of large wooden, and they all were open. I shut them with great care. So I closed all the window with a great care, and then drew the curtain, and my curtain also the curtain were also open. When the windows are open, so curtain are also open. So I shut all the windows, close all the windows, and then I drew all the curtains, enormous velvet curtains. So, and place a chair in front of them. So after that, I place my chair in front of the window, so as to have nothing to fear from outside. I thought that I have nothing to fear from outside because I kept my chair in front of the room. So that's all in this session. So we study the later part of the this part of the lesson in next session. So half of the chapter we finish. Thank you, students.